Welcome to the tutorial about installing Payroll. So the first thing we need to do is go to the website, which is mirrorpayroll.com. You're probably there already. And then go to the Downloads tab and click to download. You'll see that the file is quite small. It's only 5.3 megabytes. So if you have a decent line speed, it won't take long to download. When the download is complete, open it up, and your computer will probably give you a message which says Windows protected your PC because it's an exe file. Click on more info and then run anyway, and yes, and we are going to follow the prompts. So go next, I agree, next, install, and finish. Right, when we're done with that, you can exit the web page and the Mirror Payroll icon should appear on your desktop. Double click on it to open it up, and we're going to set up the new database, which is called Demo Company. So we'll click on the new DB button, and where it says trading name, type in Demo Company, and where it says license number, type in 100, expiry date, click on the little block and select the month first, which is December, and then the day, the 31st, and OK. So it should read the 31st of December 2019. Where it says number of employees, type in 2, and license key, type in minus 861 344 15, and OK. Right, you'll get the message that the database has been set up successfully, and the PIN code is 123. Click on OK, and then we are going to put in the PIN code 123 and enter. You'll get this message, database needs to be upgraded. Click on OK, and again, and click on OK. That takes us into the demo company, and the next step will be to add an employee, and that will be the subject of the next tutorial.